In this video, let us understand how to create watch lists, add our favorite stocks to our watch list, add predefined watch lists available on the FYERS 2.0 app, toggle between different watch lists, and delete the watch lists we have created. Let's first start with creating a watch list. To create a watch list, let us click on the plus button towards the top right. You will now be requested to give a name to your watch list. In this case, let us name our watch list as My Watch List. Now, click on Save. We have now managed to create our very own watch list. To add stocks to this watch list, click on the Search and Add button. Let us first add HDFC Bank to our watch list. To do so, type HDFC Bank in the search bar. Now, click on the script and click on this icon as shown. You will now be prompted to select the watch list to which you wish to add HDFC script. Let's choose My Watch List from the options provided. We have now managed to successfully add HDFC Bank to My Watch List. Let us add another stock by following the same process. Let's click on Search and Add and follow the same process. We have now managed to add ICICI Bank to My Watch List. If you wish to toggle between watch lists, feel free to click on the watch list panel and toggle between them as shown. In order to add a predefined watch list, click on the plus button and choose any watch list from the list of predefined watch lists we have curated for you. For example, if you wish to track Nifty Auto, click on Nifty Auto and proceed by clicking on the Save button. We have now added Nifty Auto watch list to our watch list panel for easy access. Let us now understand how to delete a watch list. The first step would be to drag the watch list panel towards the right. Now click on the Edit option. If you wish to remove My Watch List, simply swipe the watch list to your left and the Delete button will be made available for you. Click on Delete and now click on Save.